Welcome to our video tutorial on using free Lisp routines for text management in AutoCAD. In this tutorial, we'll explore 5 powerful Lisp routines that can make handling text in your engineering drawings much easier. Make sure to visit our free Lisp page on our website to download these Lisp files. Simply register and log in to get access. Once downloaded, you can place the .fas or .des files in any folder of your choice. To load these programs, use the Upload command in AutoCAD. First, let's look at the Rotate Text Lisp routine. This tool allows you to rotate text with respect to the angle of selected points. In AutoCAD, it's possible to rotate any text to any angle. With this free Lisp, you can rotate text or multiple texts parallel to selected points quickly and accurately. Load the program using the Upload command. Type RT at the command prompt. Select the texts you want to rotate. Select 2 points to specify the angle. You can see that the selected texts are rotated precisely according to the angle of the selected points. Next, let's explore the Copy Text to Many Lisp routine. This tool copies the text of a reference text to all other selected texts. In land survey drawings, multiple texts often need to have the same caption. Instead of manually copying and pasting text, this Lisp allows you to copy the content of one text to multiple texts in a single command. Load the program using the Upload command. Type CPT at the command prompt. Select the source text. Select the remaining texts you want to update. All selected texts will now have the same caption as the reference text. The Select Texts Containing Lisp routine is our third tool. It allows you to select texts containing specified text among the selected texts. This Lisp is useful for finding strings with specific content in CAD drawing. For instance, you can find all texts in the drawing that start with the letter N or end with the word road. Load the program using the Upload command. Type SST at the command prompt. Enter the search string. Specify the layer name. All texts containing the letter A are moved to the new layer, Serial. You can also search text based on, starting with, ending with, or containing. Our fourth tool is the Find Overlapping Lisp routine, which finds text overlapping on another text or entity. Overlapping texts can make drawings unreadable. This Lisp helps you perform a quality check to ensure no texts overlap. Load the program using the Upload command. Type TOTX at the command prompt. Select the texts to check for overlapping. The Lisp will zoom into each text and identify if it overlaps. If a text touches another entity, its color will change. Lastly, we have the Round Off Values Lisp routine, which rounds off values to the nearest 0.005. In land survey drawings, elevation values often need to be rounded to the nearest 0.005 for precision. This Lisp makes it easy to round off values within AutoCAD. Load the program using the Upload command. Type ROFF at the command prompt. Select the texts to round off. The text content will be rounded off to a precision of 0.005. We hope you find these Lisp routines helpful for your projects. Don't forget to download these free Lisp files from our website. We also customize Lisp routines as per your requirements. Send a sample drawing to info@esurveying.net if you need a custom Lisp. Thanks for watching and happy drafting! Contact eSurveying Softtech if you want to see a free demonstration of our road infra suite or water infra suite.